Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add overlays and blend it to your videos. So I have this background here. You can add in any background you want, and I want to add this random sports overlay on top. As you can see, there's some background here, so just go to blend mode and select the ones that you think will blend well, like this overlay one maybe, or this darkened one. You can choose any that you'd like, really. It's up to you which kind of blend mode that you want to add. You can add other stuff like this one as an overlay. You can add more than one overlay, by the way, but it just depends on how you blend it later. Like this one looks like the floor tiles of the swimming pool. I don't know, you can also adjust the opacity here. Maybe you don't want it to I don't know what it's called, but you just want it more transparent, so you just the opacity on that. If you want to add more, you can do that, like this one for instance, just because you can add in that, and again you can adjust the opacity on that as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.